All right, just wanted to touch on Bitcoin since we redid everything. We did these projections right here off of this move. We made our price targets, right? This -1.5 and this -2 standard deviation. And so far we are holding this -1. So I believe we were somewhere in this range yesterday. Yeah, the 12th. So yesterday, yeah, around right here when I made the video. I would like to see 7,400. I mean, 74,000 still. But you can see how we are respecting this -1 still, right? We're right here. The goal is to pop above this, hold this as support, and continue. Let's go on to a larger time frame. All right, did we miss that? Is this I mean, forget the 1 hour. There is a daily right here, right? This is a 1 day. It's a daily fair value gap. Was this wick? I mean, the candle bodies are respecting that. Look at that. It's right in between these two fibs as well. That's gonna offer better support than that hourly. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We wicked below it. The bodies held it, and the body of this one held that 50, and it's continuing. Let's drop down lower. Let's go to an hourly. Okay, look, that makes sense now, right? Look at that. Why it's respecting these areas. The 50% there. Okay. Yep. Hopefully there's some consolidation here, and we get that. Right? Get to that one. Maybe we pull back to here or pull back to half. Get above it, retest it, and hit it. Maybe something like that. We will respect this zone quite a bit. So this thing just isn't moving very fast. So something like that maybe. So, no matter what, however this, plays out or works out or whatever it does there, ultimately I think we could get up there still. So it's just grinding. It's just grinding up. Let's see. Yeah, pulled back to a 38. I mean, if you were looking for a long entry, that was it, right? This low to this high, pulled back, just wicked through this 38, made an hourly fair value gap as support, and continued higher. Right? Patience is key. There's no reason to chase anything. Just wait for areas to get hit. Right? It even looked like it tapped this 23 the first time. You could have went long on there for a scalp. See? bink. I mean, how many points is that? 500 bucks or whatever. Came down to the 38, grinded back, holding above it, just slow grinding up. Just a lot of consolidation, respecting this one, -1, keep going. So, yeah, still, these would be the price targets. They have not been achieved yet. Our last two we called out from the beginning video, which I think we called them out over here. They got hit. I believe it was actually these two. But slow grind up still. Nothing new for Bitcoin. Wait for a pullback. If you are not long, just don't blindly chase. So we'll see what it does tonight. Maybe it hits it and we can figure out something different for tomorrow. But so far, as long as this daily fair value gap holds as support, there's no larger structure shift on a higher time frame. Just seems like a slow grind to the upside. Just wicking people out on the downside on the way. If you were long and put your stops here, you get wicked out and then it just goes higher. It's a vicious game they play. Yep, this one held. Yeah, slow grind to the upside. So if you are long, be careful in these zones. 74,100 and 75,465 area. But on our last one, it just went right through the first PT and right into the second one. I think that was this. Yeah. Our first profit taking zone was this one a couple of videos ago, and it just jammed right through it and hit the second one. So maybe that'll happen here, but this is the roadmap. It's the idea. I wouldn't be shorting it at all. So we'll see what it does tonight. Check back tomorrow. Happy trading. Have a good day.